Hello, children. I am a dog. I guard the home. I like eating bones.
Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn about dog. This is a dog. A dog is a pet animal. It lives in many houses. A dog guards our home. It likes eating bones. A dog is a faithful animal. Children, who is having a dog in your home? Yes, in some children's home, dog is there. Very good, children.
Hello, children. I am the letter Y. I have many friends on this page. All their names start with Y. Hello, children. I am a yacht. I travel on water. My name starts with Y.
Hello, children. I am a yak. I am a hairy animal. My name starts with Y.
Hello, children. I am a yam. I am a healthy vegetable. My name starts with Y. Hello, children. I am a yo-yo. I am a toy. My name starts with Y. Hello, children. I am yolk. I am inside an egg. My name starts with Y. Hello, children. I am yarn. I am used to make clothes. My name starts with Y.
Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn about letter Y. Children, this is a yacht. A yacht moves on water. Yacht starts with the letter Y. This is a yak. A yak is a hairy animal. Yak starts with the letter Y. This is a yam. Yam is a vegetable. Yam starts with the letter Y. This is a yo-yo. A yo-yo is a toy. Yo-yo starts with the letter Y. This is yolk. Yolk is inside an egg. Yolk starts with the letter Y. This is yarn. Yarn is used to make clothes. Yarn starts with the letter Y. All these words start with the letter Y. Very good, children. See you.
Hello, children. I am a fish. I live in water. I swim using my fins and tail.
Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn about fish. Children, a fish lives in water and swims using its fins and tail. A fish stays as a pet in an aquarium. There are many beautiful varieties of fish. Fish breathes through gills. Very good, children.
See? Hello, children. I am a rectangle. I have 4 sides. My opposite sides are equal.
Look at the pictures below. The letter cover, instruments box, and container, they all have a rectangle shape, just like me.
Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn about a rectangle shape. A rectangle has 4 sides. Its opposite sides are equal. We see rectangles around us every day. A letter cover is a rectangle. An instruments box is a rectangle. A container is also a rectangle. So children, all these objects are rectangle in shape. Very good, children. See you.
Hello.
Hello, children. I am a lion and king of the jungle.
Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn about lion. The lion is a wild animal. It lives in the forest. The lion is strong and brave. It is called the king of the jungle. The lion has a loud roar. Very good, children. See you.
Hello, children. I am the letter Z. I have many friends on this page. All their names start with Z. Hello, children. I am a zigzag pattern. I go up and down. My name starts with Z. Hello, children. I am a zebra. I have black and white stripes. My name starts with Z. Hello, children. I am 0. I show nothing. My name starts with Z. Hello, children. I am a zip. I help close bags and clothes. My name starts with Z. Hello, children. I am a zoo. Many animals live in me. My name starts with Z.
Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn about letter Z. This is a zigzag pattern. It goes up and down. Its name starts with the letter Z. This is a zebra. A zebra has black and white stripes. Its name starts with the letter Z. This is 0. 0 shows nothing. Its name starts with the letter Z. This is a zip. A zip helps us close bags and clothes. Its name starts with the letter Z. This is a zoo. Many animals live in a zoo. Its name starts with the letter Z. All these words start with the letter Z. Very good, children.
Hello, children. I am a tiger. I am a wild animal. I have orange color with black and white stripes.
Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn about tiger. This is a tiger. The tiger is a wild animal. It lives in forest. It has orange color with black and white stripes. The tiger is very strong and powerful. It is the national animal of India. Very good, children.
Hello, children. I am an elephant. I am a wild animal. I live in the forest.
Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn about an elephant. The elephant is a wild animal. It is the largest land animal in the world. The elephant is a strong animal. It has big ears, long tusks, and a long trunk. Very good, children.
Hello.
Two little dicky birds sat upon a wall. One named Peter, the other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Two little dicky birds sat upon a wall. One named Peter, the other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul.
Hello, children. I am a monkey. I live in the jungle. I love to eat bananas.
Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn about monkey. This is a monkey. The monkey lives in the jungle. Monkeys love to eat bananas. They are funny, clever, and playful animals. Very good, children.
Hello, children. Oh, what do I see? One worm is big and one worm is small. Yeah, it means the long worm is big and the short worm is small. Now I see the buses. This bus is long. This bus is short.
Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn about a long and short concept. Look at this picture. This worm is long. It is big and long. Now look here. This worm is short. It is small and short. Children, look at the buses. This is a long bus. This is a short bus. So children, things that are big in length are called long. Things that are small in length are called short. Very good, children.
Hello, children. What do I see? One lamp is tall and one lamp is short. Wow, look at these stools. This stool is tall. This stool is short.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn about tall and short concept. Look at this picture. This lamp is tall. It is big and tall. Now look here. This lamp is short. It is small and short. Children, look at the stools. This stool is tall. This stool is short. So children, things that are big in height are called tall. Things that are small in height are called short. Very good, children.
Hello, children. I am a dolphin. I live in water. I love to jump and spin in the water.
Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn about dolphin. This is a dolphin. Dolphins live in water. They are playful and intelligent animals. They like to jump and spin in the water. Very good, children.
Hello.
Welcome to the story, The Greedy Dog.
There was a dog who was very hungry. He searched for food everywhere and at last he found a bone. He picked the bone with his mouth and started going back to his home. There was a bridge on the way to his home. When he started crossing it, he saw his reflection in the water. The dog thought that there was another dog with a bone in water. He wanted to get that other bone too. So he started barking at his own reflection. His bone fell in water as soon as he opened his mouth. The greedy dog lost his bone.
Moral of the story, do not be greedy.